din yung lahat. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nagpunta rin sa nanood. Follow niyo ako sa Facebook, Janabi Gala. Yun lang. Maraming salamat sa lahat.
Okay, that was short and sweet. Very manly talaga. Si hang number 3. Of course, di tayo mapatalo hang number 4. Hang number 4, introduce yourself and alam mo, may mga manonood dyan, get to pick you up and invite you for other competitions. Alam mo, mag-compete kayo internationally.
Okay, so hello everyone, good evening. My name is Christian Villarin and I am 24 years old. Actually, this is just I did not expect to join this kind of pageant, Manila Finest Hub. I just saw this one on Facebook, but God's perfect timing, I'm here. And also, if you want to follow me and to get to know me more, just add me or Christian Villarin, and also on Instagram, Christian Villarin, all in lowercase, no space, and the number 10. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Trisha. See the power of social media nowadays. You just post your branding, you post whatever you want to share with other people, kung paano ka mo gusto makilala, and you never know. You never know, brother, isa sa inyo mag-move on na sa Grand Finals at baka isa sa inyo kinakausap ko ngayon would probably be the grand winner of Manila's Finals. Alright, moving forward, hang number 5.
Hi, good afternoon everyone. My name is Zandro Gomez. If you want to follow me, you can just follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Zandro Gomez. Zandro, it's a Z. And Twitter, and IG, Zandro Go 1. Thank you.
Alright, so if you guys want to follow Zandro Gomez, that's Zandro with a Z. With Z and the Zango 1 para sa IG page. Alright, thank you so much, brother. And last but not the least, of course, number 6.
Hi everyone, my name is Michael Sales. I'm 26. And my TikTok is Aldrich05 and my IG is Aldrich5. Thank you everyone.
Alright, that's interesting. Aldrich05 with a 0 for the TikTok and Aldrich5 for the IG. Alright. Guys, the reason why I'm telling this is because the power of social media talaga nowadays are crazy. You can build your brand, you can build yourself through social media. Alright, yung mga tatawagin ko po, you guys will get to move in straight to the Grand Finals. Sino sa palagay nyo ang unang pangalan na mag-move on sa Grand Finals? Hot number? Sino? Hot number? Sabi mo, nakita mo lang sa Facebook to, pero congratulations! Hot number 4, Christian Villarin! Hindi mo talaga alam saan ka dadalhin ng tadhana.
Next, number 1! Number 5!
Gusto ko yung energy mo talaga eh.
Number 1!
Dito ka.
Next in the line!
Sino?
Number 1!
Sino?
Two!
Sino? Sa palagay sa taas, sino sa palagay mo? Doon sa taas. Aba, medyo na iba na sa taas. Tatawagin ko na. Congratulations to hot number 5, Zandro Gomez.
Next, number 1!
Alright, hindi ko na matatagalin pa to. Ang sasama sa ating mga house going straight to the Grand Finals is hot number 1, Brandon Portalejo. Alright, congratulations to our hosts 4, 5, 1. All of you will go straight to the Grand Finals. Once again, Christian Villarin, Zandro Gomez, and Brandon Portalejo. Susunod kong tatawagin ng mga hosts, you have to prove yourselves once again as we will get to see you on the wild card round. So, moving on to the wild card is hug number. will get a chance to prove themselves once again in the wild card round. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much, Sir Jonathan Alegre. We'll see you guys again next week. That would be Friday. Friday po tayo next week for our 9th elimination round. More hugs to come for everyone. More exciting moments here, of course. Merry Christmas to everyone. Advance Merry Christmas po sa inyong lahat. There you have it. See you again Friday. Maraming salamat po. I'm AC Aguilar, your host. Ingat po sa pag-uwi and God bless.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love